this is Ashley at Oxbow Meadows at Columbus State University. Today we're going to be talking about animals' life cycles. All animals are living things, and different animals have different adaptations, different habitats, and even different life cycles throughout their lifetime. Do all animals look the same? Do all animals look the same throughout their entire lifetime? Some animals hatch from eggs, and some are born live. Some animals transform their bodies over their lifetime and look entirely different from when they did when they were a baby or a juvenile. Some adults even look different than their young. However, there are some adults that look nearly exactly like their young, but the young are just a miniature version. Let's take a look at the difference between metamorphosis and direct development. We're going to take a look at some different life cycles and try to figure out if the animal looks the same throughout its entire lifetime or if it takes on another form and looks entirely different. Let's take a look at some animal examples from Oxbow Meadows and see what their life cycle looks like. Some animals can actually be pretty tricky. They may look entirely different when they're young versus whenever they're an adult. Some animals even transform their bodies through a process called metamorphosis. What does a baby frog look like? Now we're going to take a look at some different types of amphibians. Specifically, we're going to look at some frogs. Does an adult frog look the same as a baby or juvenile frog? You may have seen in a pond some minnows or even some tadpoles swimming around. Those tadpoles are actually amphibian larvae, or a baby version of an amphibian that you may see hopping around. Do you know what a tadpole will transform or metamorphise into? If you know that tadpoles will become frogs whenever they are an adult, then you're right, they go through metamorphosis. A tadpole doesn't spend its whole life in the pond.